Được. Rồi.
Yeah.
Good job.
Today we are going to Rocky Gap. Like, this is kind of like the part 2, I think. So yeah.
Last year we
Today we going where, Kevin?
To the way
To the lake at
at Rocky Gap.
Are you
Good
excited,
job.
Kevin?
Hello, welcome to part 3 of Rocky Gap. Yeah.
You exciting?
Yeah, it's been like a long time since COVID arrived, but now we're back for a part 3. Hey, this is fun. You want me to put you bury? Yeah, let me bury. I'm gonna act like a zombie. So funny. Okay, shot, tiger shot. Ooh. Oh, zombie! Oh wait, we lost the car already.
Johnny, Kevin, come change your clothes.
They would see my boat die.
I know, they will see your boat dog.
Yeah, tie-ties. Now time for my shirts. Go swim. I'm almost done with the sunscreen. You ready?
Sunscreen.
And fight. Yeah. I said pretend there's no rocks. Pretend there's no time. I keep.
Okay, good boy.
Oh, chicken wings.
Yeah. And this is the beef.
Yeah, pretty small.
Đã khá lẹ thầm này.
Đã có lẽ có một phát rồi.
ตอนงมเตะเพลิงนี่นะนบไซน์แล้ว
Here you go.
Here we go. Just put on the table, eat there. Put on the table. Right here. That table.
Table.
Right here. Put it on the table and eat it.
Where's your water? Oh, it's in the car.
Kevin, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Eat here. It's gonna spill on the grass. It's not taste good anymore.
Done.
จะมีสายเพลิงปุ่งคลั่ง
Mommy, where is Johnny?
When he's swimming, you see right here. You see Pongtan is right here. He's under the thing. You see?
Johnny, come here. Yes, come here.
Kevin, look. There's a crab. Baby crab. Kevin, look. Baby crab. See it?
Oh. Hey, Kevin, look at the lake with it. I want to play with you. Oh, yeah, sure. What can I do with a riddle? So a riddle. Slap somebody else.
Hmm.
You didn't want to sit on
ai xịt lọt á, tụi mày cái lệnh tật cho tật đen thôi.
Chọn mặt bao tục tới thì mình lấy.
Hey,
I can. Hello there. I will vote for you. Scary flying shark. Yes.
Yummy.
These chips taste delightful.
Yeah.
Daddy, are you kidding me? You only brought one pillow?
Yeah. They have a lot.
Mommy. Can I sleep with you? This feels like home. It's him. It's him.
không mà nè.
It's Johnny.
Johnny, can you?
And pass. I didn't walk up to her. She walked up to me. She saw me building a lake. I'm gonna show you.
Vitamin. It gives you vitamin.
Wow, they have so much floaties.
Soft?
Oh, I thought you were feeding me.
You buy the spoon.
Daddy, the 7-Eleven's ad said you might know you better than you might know yourself. And then you said, oh, and then you walk up to a store, to 7-Eleven, and you say, what's my favorite color?
And what they say?
High five! High five!
Johnny, look how tan you are. Put it on Kevin. Next to Kevin.
High five! High five!
Come on, mommy, do this.
High five!
Don't open it yet.
High five! High five! But that's how good it is. Mommy got roasted.
Combing your hair. With your hair look good now. Oh, let's comb on Johnny here. Comb on Johnny. Say, let me comb on Johnny.
And then I'll pay you 5 chips.
5 chip? That's a chip.
So I think I'll pay you 1.
That's a lot of chip.
When's it gonna say